starting your adventure?
Huh?
You starting your adventure?
Say hi, JD.
Hey, JD.
We're off to Annapolis, Maryland. Our first stop is at the Donut King in Eufaula, Alabama. Look, they're making the donuts right there in the window, right here. And it's a famous spot here in Eufaula called Donut. The Donut King, the Donut King, we're here at the Donut King. Donut King, the Donut King, we're here at the Donut King. Huh?
Kahlua.
Uh-oh, watch out. All right, we made it.
We made it.
We made it. It was a long day, right?
I'm dead. Isn't this nice?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, like, do you see the room?
So we're here at National Harbor and looking forward to it. With Mom here at Alumni Hall. And across from there is the parade field. And we're at the United States Naval Academy, developing future leaders. Waiting on April, JD to come pick us up, take us on a tour, an international tour.
Of Bixby.
Look who we found.
Hello.
Let's get, I'm gonna scoot all the way over.
Hey, Uncle Will.
Hello, how are you? Looking good, looking good.
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Hey. Hi. Pretty lady. You look awesome.
Good morning, good morning.
Love you too. That's the kind of boat Max goes on. The white
Yeah, right?
Uncle Will.
Congratulations. Good to see you.
You too.
Look at that. All the ribbons and medals and the beautiful shoes and stuff. Oh my gosh. I love you. What's going on? Good to see you. My gosh, you're huge. He's huge.
Where's Grandma?
So what do you train on the
Driving
boat?
the boat, basically.
Okay.
Like, so I'm gonna be a firstie, so I'm basically like in charge of the whole boat, like driving it, make sure we're doing the right things. Basically, I'm in charge of the entire like boat. There's like 5 firsties, so we rotate, and then the younger guys are doing like they're like the steering or like the navigation, and they have their own jobs.
And so this is something you've done previously.
Yeah, I did it when I was a plebe.
And now
After
you're
my
in
plebe
charge
year,
of it.
and now I'm in charge of it.
I
Yeah.
love it. I love it.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
Actually, what we're doing is we're practicing for next year.
That is.
We're making sure we know the right way.
That makes sense.
You're
Wow, look at that.
There they are. And the brothers to the right.
We're not technically supposed to do it until we go on the boat.
There's
Looks like my elementary school.
Yep. So, I guess kind of a weird room. This is not like a normal room. Like you can see, this room layout is terrible. Look at this closet. So the con would say starboard engine ahead 1/3, and then the lee helmsman would say starboard engine's ahead 1/3 aye, and then they'd move it 1/3, and then they'd say my starboard engine is ahead 1/3, and the con would say very well. And so the con is the person giving the orders for the engines and the rudder. So then you could say right standard rudder, steady on course 305. And so then they would turn that until that says 15 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
And then as you're getting closer to 305,
Right.
you start turning it back.
Right.
So you stay on course 305.
Right.
So if I'm the officer of the deck, which is what I do, I'd say, hey, there's a boat coming towards us, let's steer right a little bit. Let's maybe go to around course 305. And then the con could use this
and shoot a bearing.
Okay.
See where he's looking at. And
Right.
like, oh, let's go that way. And so he would say to the helmsman, right standard rudder, steady on course 305. And then say, right standard rudder, steady on course 305I. My rudder is right 15 degrees, coming to course 305. And he would come and say, very well. And then he'd say, steady on course 305, very well. And it'd be like the same thing. And that's kind of how you give the commands. And then if it's for a smaller degree, if you're moving like a few degrees to the left or right, you would just say, come left, steer course 305. And then the helmsman can use however much rudder they want to like kind of set it, keep it on that course. Radar, you also use charts. So, I don't know if you see on the bridge wings, there's it's called like an ALA something, but basically like a gyro shooter, so you can shoot it to visual aids along the river,
Right.
and you get you get the degrees to your boat, and then you can plot fixes on the chart. So if you get a line from like the light over there and the bridge,
Right.
and then use triangulation and like find out where you are.
I love
So
it.
you have to use charts as well as your like
So basically you learn resection
exactly.
to find out exactly where
Exactly.
you're at. I love it.
And you have to do that just in case the GPS turns off. So say one of the engines breaks, you'd say engineering casualty, loss of starboard engine, chief engineer go down and report to pilot house, stuff like that. So a lot of people think that it's like the bottom of the anchor, like the big anchor that
Right.
keeps you from moving, but it's actually how heavy all the chain is. So you have to put like, it's like however deep the water is, you have to put like, yeah, it's like 5 times how deep it is. That's how much chain you need to let out, so that it keeps you right there.
Wow, I never knew that. Love you, son.
All right, I'll see you guys in the.
All right. Okay.
Midshipman First Class John Wagner, Jr. Midshipman First Class Jackson Hathaway. Captain Peter Reinhardt presented his own sword to Midshipman John Hutchins, Jr. Vice Admiral Thomas Kilkline presented the swords of his fellow 36 company mates, Captain Frank Coleman, United States Navy, retired, and Captain John Kerwin, United States Navy Reserves, retired, to Midshipman Hampton Kirk.
Great job, heroes. Great job.
Well done, guys.
Great job, y'all looking sharp.
You're good.
Come on, Luke.
Tyler C. Nelson.
John D. Wagner Jr. Eli Walls.
William C. Pennington III.
Benjamin A. Worthy.
Jeffrey C. Peters.
From the 27th Company, Monica R. Brady.
Thomas Patrick Ryan III.
Tanner M. Buford.
Nelda B. Sanchez Gonzalez.
Ryan E. Tate.
Agatha M. Schaefer.
Angelina K. Chen.
I propose 3 cheers for those we leave behind. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
All right, we're heading out. Say bye-bye, Annapolis. National Harbor.
The route guidance will start now. Turn right onto Fleet Street and then turn left.
Recalculate.